Hello Python enthusiastic, welcome back to another video. Today get ready to supercharge your Python skill because we are diving into a part 2 of advanced Python tutorial series. So in this episode, we'll explore some mind-blowing advanced tricks and technique that will take you Python game to the next level. So let's jump into that. So first thing is first, list comprehensions. So this is actually first up we have to list comprehensive, a conscious and powerful way to create list. So if you find more yourself writing loop to a generate list, you might want to pay close attention to this. Let me show you how to list comprehension can be make your code more elegant and efficient. So this is a normal way to print a otherwise traditional way to create a list of squares. And first you have to define the list, and inside the list we are looping it to from 1 to 10, and one by one we are appending. This is actually the traditional normal way, but when we use list comprehensions, here is simple way. In one line, just you have to loop 1 to 10, and each will be created. So this easy syntax compared to the traditional way, right? So simple. We don't have to write it separate loops and all. Only inside the loops we are just printing this entire code in one line. So that result the same as what we are getting in square. So what are the we did traditional way to create a list of squares? That's almost same as using comprehensions. So let's run this. Its output is same. Both of we are printing, see the both are same, right? So this is little bit easier. So what we are doing is same through. It is iterating from 1 to 10, and each time it is appending to the list. See it is 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, and 81. That's what we are doing it here in the traditional way. So this is actually simple technique, right? You can use to create a list. So this is actually this is called list comprehensions. So hope you this understood this. And next technique is segment two, unpacking and packing. So unpacking means we have a list. So here we need to unpack this. For example, here A, B, and rest is we are assigned to these numbers. So this means A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and the remaining in the rest. So this is unpacking a list. So if you want to pack a list, we'll use this argument, and we have to pass that entire list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that it will. So it will pack inside a list. Or in different way, what will happen to in this code we'll check packing code. First is pack example is defined with argument and its parameter. Syntax allow the function to accept any number of positional argument and pack them into a tuple named argument. The function simply print the argument tuples. When you call this function pack underscore example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are packed into the argument tuples. This function then print the tuple. So the output called pack example 1, 2, 3. What will happen? We'll check. We'll run this code. See, it will pack, right? So whatever the value, if you want to add one more inside that, see, it's added 6 and 7 to that. So this is packing and unpacking. See, so easy, right? See, if you print